Hey guys, Big House Cards. That must be you, Jim. We're going to get started with this. I just want to confirm a few trades. Jason V traded his Senators for the Kings. Mike C traded his Panthers for the Devils. Ryan Fleck got the Panthers. He traded the Devils, and Mike C traded the Kings to Jason V, and he got Ottawa. And if you didn't see the video, Joe H got the Oilers.
Joe H, who are you?
Any last minute trades, guys?
Who did Zach get?
Zach. Him and his dad got Dallas, the Islanders, the Flyers, and I thought he had 4 teams.
Who got the Jackets for the soda?
I guess they only had 4 teams. I mean, 3
Three?
teams. Yeah, 3
Oh,
teams.
Dallas did.
Yeah, I don't see him on here.
Who got the Blue Jackets in Minnesota?
Okay, we're breaking now.
Who got Jackets, Minnesota?
Jackets, Minnesota was Mike C. All right, guys, let's do the break. Here, let me read off the teams real fast. Glenn C got Dallas. Jason V has the Kings. Zach C has the Islanders. Louis B has the Wings. Dennis D has the Rangers. Jason V has the Sharks. Mike C has the Devils. Ryan F has the Lightning. Carl S has the Ducks. Beckham has the Avalanche. Darren D has the Penguins. Mike C has, it's a different Carl. Mike C has the Wild Columbus combo. Joe H has the Predators, and he was lucky enough to get the Oilers. Jason V has the Leafs. Dom R has the Sabres. Ryan F has the Panthers. Zach C has the Flyers. Jim B with the Canucks. Mike C with the Capitals. Mike P with the Hurricanes. Brian G has Calgary. Matthew S has the Blues. Glenn C has the Bruins. Jason V has Montreal. Lewis has Arizona. Anthony D has the Jets. Mike C has Ottawa. That was a trade. And Mike P has the Blackhawks. So that should be connection trade to a good home. Well, we had it out there. I guess nobody wanted it. We did have a few trades, Jim. So we're going to do the 2 boxes of ice first. Let's get rolling. Last call. Sox fan. Did you have, what team do you have? I'm not sure whose screen name is Sox fan. But anyway. Okay, we're going to get rolling. Stamkos, right? Stamkos. Oh, Pitt. Oh, okay. Is that Darren? Oh, Red Sox. Yeah, there you go. How's it going, Darren? Not a bad team to have. All right, guys, here we go with the ice. Okay. Sagan base, and we're starting out with the Calgary Flames, number to 399, Emo Poirier. Auto. I'm doing good, Darren. Got a Yu-Gi-Oh tournament going on in my store right now. Claude Lemieux, there's my blocker. We got a Matthias Janmark for the Dallas Stars to $9.99. Yager and Backstrom base. Hey, you're on the board. Got a couple people, couple customers sitting here watching me do the break. I invite everybody in if they're local. Zuccarello, Phaneuf. Here we go for the Lightning. Steven Stamkos jersey. Frozen Fabrics. Hey, you just want to get some hits, boy. You want to get on the board. Okay, we have for the Edmonton Oilers, number to 125. Ice Premier's autographs. Connor McDavid. So there you go, Joe. Nice McDavid auto.
Every box you get has some.
I know almost. I mean, every break that I have has had some kind of crazy McDavids. McDavid. There you go for Vancouver. There you go, Jim.
Jake Burton.
Jake Vertinen. Global Impacts. What's the chances you're getting McDavid? I have 2 boxes. Yeah, McDavid auto. Okay, Salming. Okay, we have for the who's Shinkarik? Hunter Shinkarik. Is that Vancouver? I think that's Vancouver.
Yeah, I think so.
It's Hunter Shinkarik to $12.99. Let's see if it'll focus. Anyway, take my word for it. There you go. But I think that's you, Jim. What a Vancouver hit. Taves, Johnson, base. Here we go. Jordan Weil for the Flyers to $14.99. Gary Curry. Leaves Canadians. Daniel Carr for the Canadians, numbered to $14.99. Okay, I think this is the second box of ice. Camilleri. We have a rookie relics for the Vancouver Canucks. Are they still for trade, Jim? Number to $2.99. Jared McCann. Jumbo rookie relics.
He's on Florida now.
Oh, is he? Well, that goes to Vancouver, though. Are you serious? He's been traded to Florida?
Pretty sure.
Oh. Hopi. Here we go. For the Oilers. Glacial Grass, Taylor Hall.
Gone.
I know, but still,
He's on the Devils.
cool autograph. Oh, come on, focus.
Yeah, he's on the Devils now.
There you go. Taylor Hall. Yeah, you and me both will trade for Edmonton. Want to hear the crazy thing? I have no idea who Joe H is. He's got to be a new customer in the store or something because I have no clue. And that's sad. For the Sharks, Dylan DeMello to $19.99. Oh, baby. Give me a little focus. Oh, I give up. Price. Here we go for the Panthers. Connor Brickley to $14.99. God, I hate this stuff. Non-focus. Come on. There we go. Thank you. Here you go for Vancouver to $9.99. Hunter Shinkarik. Come on, Jim. Look at that. All these Vancouver hits for you. We didn't hit the exquisite yet, did we?
No.
Oh, here it is. Let's see what we got. Nyquist. Oh, look at that. To $3.99 for the Blues. Robbie Fabry. Yeah, it would have been nice if it was autoed. I don't know why it wasn't auto. Should have been autoed. Was Upper Deck thinking? We have for the Rangers, Global Impact, Oscar Lindbergh.
Is there another numbered card in there? Sometimes with the Global Impacts, they have a numbered card.
No.
No?
No. All right, last pack of ice. And then we'll go to the big guns. Lundqvist. For the Senators, to 1999, Matt O'Connor. All right, so that's it for the ice. So 2 boxes of ice and 1 McDavid auto. Beautiful. Okay, let's do the black one at a time. Wow, all kinds of craziness in here. Looks like there's a book. All right, guys, first card for the Kings. Wayne Gretzky, and that's number 2349.
2 cards there, Peter. Just one.
What's that?
Looks like you have
Oh.
2 cards in your head.
Nope, it's 1 card. It's got a black inner. Why they did that, I don't know. All right, the second card is a redemption, black lustrous rookie signatures, numbered to 299 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Daniel Sprong. There you go, Darren. Nice hit. Oh, we have a 6 relics booklet. Wow, this is crazy.
Is that all there?
For the Nashville Predators. There you go, Joe. And is it numbered? Forsberg, Weber, Seth Jones, Roman Josi, James Neal, and Pecorine. Pretty nice. We have a star coverage relics for the Calgary Flames. Johnny Hockey. Then we have for Montreal, we have the guy that follows me around in every break, besides Matt Pumple, Jacob Delarose. He's basically in every break I do. Gotta love him. Oh, this is nice. Who does this guy play for? Sharks, I believe. Numbered 11 of 15. Rookie Showcase Relics chest patch. Nikolai Goldobin. Yep, and that's the Sharks.
That's nice.
Come on, baby. There you go. Pretty nice.
What was the base card in there? The Gretzky?
The Gretzky's the base, yep. So that's the first box. Wow. Booklet. Those booklets should be all patches. This is all right. All right, first card. Let's flip this over because it's a base card. For the Florida Panthers, Aaron Ekblad.
The base.
Yep,
Is that out of
349. I guess they're all out of 349. Oops. For the Dallas Stars, Matthias Janmark, illustrious rookies, number 299 auto for Dallas. Come on, baby. It'd be nice if you could see the card properly. God, I don't know why. Anyway, ooh, yikes! What? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Do it
This is
last.
disgusting. Okay, yeah, you can't see it. I'll do it last. Oh my God. Oh, another. Well, hey, there you go. Look at that. Star coverage relics for Pittsburgh Penguins. Sidney Crosby. We'll save that card for last. That other one. There you go, Darren. Another one. Just got to get a hit, right? Then we have for the Dallas Stars a Ricky trademarked relics of Radek Faksa. Then we have for the Blue Jackets. This is pretty nice. I'm looking to see. It's numbered one. It's number 1 out of 99. Pride of a Nation. Sergei Bobrovsky. So there you go, Sergei Bobrovsky. All right, here's the hit. This is nasty. This is numbered 5 out of 5, and it's for the Edmonton Oilers. And you could both, you guys can guess who it is. 5 out of 5, autographed, illustrious ink with some nasty patches. Yeah, right. Jesus Christ. Here, let's get this focused because this is sick. Oh, come on, man. There we go. There it is. Dual patch, illustrious ink, autoed, 5 out of 5, Connor McDavid. There you go, Joe. So he gets a McDavid auto out of ice, and he gets this nastiness. Yeah. Then there was a McDavid in the ice packs too. So this was the team that I gave away free. I mean, everybody had a chance. So this was random offer. So this is going to Joe H. So just want to say thanks. I'll get this out to everybody. Tomorrow, I'll get these packages and send them out. Congratulations, everybody. Jim, Darren, thanks for participating. Really appreciate it. Big D, I think you had a couple of small Ranger hits. So let me get this uploaded. And, hey, thanks for participating, guys.